Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we will see what's new in SolidCAM Turbo HSM. Turbo HSM introduced a combination strategy both with linear and constant stepover. Here we are going to see the combined strategy with constant Z and constant stepover. I have a tool of diameter 8 here, ball nose, and I have got constant Z step down of 0.5 millimeter and a constant stepover, 3D stepover of 0.5 millimeter. I have got a shallow areas slope angle of 48 degrees, which means from 0 to 48 it will perform constant 3D stepover, and from 48 to 90 it will perform constant Z machining. Let's calculate this toolpath and let's look at the results. Okay, calculation is done, and this is how my toolpath looks like. You can see in steep areas it's doing constant Z, whereas in shallow areas it's doing the constant 3D stepover machining. This is the new feature introduced in the new version of SolidCAM. It's a combination strategy of constant Z and constant 3D stepover. Thank you very much for watching the video.